For making this field notebook, we are going to need a cutting board, an office paper, some cardboard for the cover, ruler, sharp knife, hammer and a punch, needle and a string, and some paper tape. Now we can do it. So first we are going to cut these papers in half. I'm gonna be using 15 papers as I wanna get 30 pages. So now before we stitch the cover and the papers together, it's a good idea to draw or print something on the cover. So I'm gonna do that now. So that's done. We can now punch the holes. This obviously doesn't have to be nice letter punch or anything fancy. You just get something sharp you can hit with a hammer and make beautiful holes like this. Now we are all set and ready for stitching it together. We are going to start from the inside. Make the knot as tight as you possibly can and cut off the excess. The notebook is tied together. Now we can finish it off with the paper tape. So now we can be pretty much done with it. What I like to do is to just cut this excess, which is created by the middle pages. So this was a very quick and simple project. I think you can make it in less than 15 minutes. I hope you are going to make your own field notebook. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you soon.